Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G34 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the system option. Now let's tap on backup and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and from this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here, right here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can read it and then tap on I agree. And there we've got the info about the backup, so among others, you're able to backup the apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to, so just tap on turn on. And there we've got our backup section, so you can check how much space you've got left, what has been already backed up, the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. And from now on, after of course confirmation, your device will back up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.